All right, so we're going to look at kind of a brief overview of some of the major scales. And for most of you, this will probably be review from what you've learned in theory. Nevertheless, let's take a look here. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by writing my clefs. And we've been learning everything, basically the circle of fifths. So in the key of C, we have no sharps, no flats. Pretty darn simple. In the key of G, we add one sharp. So now we have F sharp. Okay. And so if we're thinking scale degrees, well, the only thing that changes is now that we have an F sharp. Okay, so G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. I'm going to go ahead and write my cautionary accidental here, like that. And I'll also do this for my left hand. Let's do it in black. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. The fingering is identical with C major. So remember, we were grouping the fingers together, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4, then it repeats, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth, okay? At that point, you just have a 5 for the top note. So it's exactly the same fingering. So if I show you this on the piano, you'll see how really simple this is. On C major, it was just 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5 on the top. G major, it's exactly the same, except now we start on G and we have an F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 on the top. Okay. If we go on to D major, the only thing that changes is now that we have two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. Okay, I'll just show you the right hand here. So D major, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D, and so on and so forth. So we have an F sharp and we have a C sharp. And again, the fingering is identical. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now on D major, I start on D, but I'm going to have an F sharp and a C sharp. And notice that I am playing F sharp with third finger and C sharp with fourth finger. So again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. And we go down the same way, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. The cycle repeats. So back to 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And that's D major. Okay. Let's take a look at A major. So in A major, we have three sharps, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. So my notes are A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, and A. G is a sharp, F's a sharp, and C is a sharp. The fingering pattern is the same, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it repeats, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now, starting on A, 1, 2, 3 on C sharp, 1, 2, 3, 4, F sharp and G sharp, and it repeats, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back down, 4, 3, 2, 1, then 3, 2, 1, then 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Very easy. Okay? So because the fingering is exactly the same, the only thing you need to remember is what notes are sharped. And then the very last scale is E major, where we have four sharps. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. So now we have E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. F is a sharp, G is a sharp, C is a sharp, and D is a sharp. Okay? But the fingering is the same. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it repeats the cycle again. Okay, so for the right hand, we have 1, 2, 3, then you shift. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice the black keys are together. F sharp, G sharp, C sharp, D sharp. Okay, so this is pretty easy because you're playing all the black keys except for A sharp. We're playing F sharp and G sharp, C sharp and D sharp. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Shift. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back down 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1 to 4, 3,